Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling radiator on Toyota Auris 1.6 petrol. The cooling radiator is located behind the AC condenser. That's the AC condenser that we see right there. It's located behind the AC condenser, so in order to get access to it, we need to remove the front bumper. First, we'll start by removing this plastic cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the front bumper. To remove the bumper, we need to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. There is these bolts that I'm showing you. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next, we're going to remove the plastic clips that are holding the bumper on the side. That's one of them, and that's the other. This plastic clip, you need to turn it and then pull it out. The other plastic clip that holds the bumper is this one right there. You need to turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out again because it's a plastic clip. Now that the two plastic clips are removed, you can just pull out the bumper on this side and you can see it got separated from the wing. And you need to do the same on the other side. Again, two plastic clips, you need to turn them and then pull them out. Next, we're going to remove the front bumper. We just need to pull it out on this side and then pull it on the other side, and it will come out. When you take off the bumper, there might be some electrical connectors for the halogen lights or the parking sensors. If you have, you need to disconnect them, and then you can take off the bumper. Now that the bumper is removed, we have access to the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. Next, we need to remove the bolts holding this plate on the top of both radiators. To remove it, there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove. That's the bolt that I'm showing you. I also need to remove this hose that's attached to this metal plate. Also, I need to disconnect the horn. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'll just lift up this metal plate and just put it to the side. Now that the metal plate is removed, I have access to the AC condenser and the cooling radiator. In my case, I'm going to remove the AC condenser completely. You don't have to remove it completely if you're not going to be replacing it. To separate the AC condenser from the cooling radiator, I need to remove this bolt right there, and on the other side is another bolt which is right there, and then I will be able to lift up this plastic thing. Next, we can lift up this plastic panel, and then we can separate the AC condenser from the cooling radiator. In my case, I'm going to remove the AC condenser, but you don't have to remove the AC condenser. Just if you want to replace the cooling radiator, now you just replace the condenser with the new start removing here the hoses on the cooling radiator, which is one on top, one on the bottom, and one on the other side. You also need to remove the electrical connector for the cooling fan, and then you take out the radiator and the cooling fan together, and then you can remove the cooling fan when it's outside of the car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.